Hello, and welcome to another CompuMove training video. In this video, we will be discussing how to schedule work events, workers, and resources to a job within CompuMove. We will cover how to accomplish these tasks within a job, as well as within the scheduling module, highlighting the best practices for using both. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get started. There are two locations within CompuMove where we can look at and work with our schedule, within a job or within the scheduling module. To access scheduling features from a job, we must first ensure that our job has a shipper name. Without this, the program will prevent you from scheduling. Once we have this set, we can move forward. Depending on your organization's setup, every job comes with blank work events pre-populated. If you have the appropriate permissions, you can modify these by going to Setup, Work Event Type, and the Work Events Job Assignments tab. Detailed setup options are the subject for another video and will not be covered here. To start working on an event, simply click on that event. This brings you to the calendar window where you can assign a date for your newly created work event. Notice that the number of work events and workers already scheduled within your organization are displayed here, segmented between AM work events, PM work events, and quote events. Choose the date you wish to assign to this work event and select Assign Day or double-click. This will bring up the event scheduling window. In this space, we are able to schedule times, view our entire day, and assign resources. For now, we only want to get our work event on the calendar with date, time, and the quantity of resources. We will pick up the remaining tasks while in the scheduling module. To schedule an event, we must first enter how many hours the event is to be scheduled for. In this example, we will use 8 hours. Once we've entered the number of hours for the work event, we either enter the start time in the box or click on the cell within the grid that lines up with our start time, in this case, 8 a.m. After this, we mark the quantity of trucks and workers we will need for this job. In this window, we can also view our job listings for the day and assign resources. For this example, however, we will assign these later. For now, we would just like to get our event on the calendar. We press save and are returned to the job screen. But now, our work event is scheduled and we can see some details. We will now move to the scheduling module to complete, so we will save and close the job. We then click Work and Scheduling, and that brings us to the scheduling module. We go to the day that we assigned this event for, and we can see the event that we just created. First, we will assign workers. To do this, we click on Worker Day, followed by the Job List button. This segments our screen and gives us a view at what our workers have been assigned for the day. So far, they have not been assigned for anything. We can see the amount of resources we need displayed here. And to assign this job to a worker, we simply click on the job event details and then drag and drop to that worker, in this case, driver John Adams. We are presented with a window to confirm the event assignment, which we will select OK on. We repeat this action for an additional worker. And now we have successfully completed assigning workers to our job. Next, we will assign equipment resources. To do this, we select Equipment Day, and like we did with our workers, we drag and drop from the job to the equipment we want to assign. We have now successfully completed our work event setup. We have set the date for the work event and assigned all the necessary resources for that event. We have also seen the differences in views between working with the work events on the job screen and within the scheduling module. Please spend some time familiarizing yourself with the job processes covered here. It may take a couple of goes to get down, but as always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact our office. Thanks for tuning in, and have a nice day.